convergence indicator. It's a useful technical analysis tool because it is able to determine the trend as well as the momentum. Now the MACD has three parts. First is the MACD line. That is a difference between the fast moving average and the slow moving average. I had told you what is the fast moving average and what is the slow moving average. The fast moving average is the 5-day moving average, 9-day moving average, and the slow moving average is the 20-day moving average. So it's the MACD line is the difference between fast moving and slow moving average. Then first component is the MACD line. Then is the signal line. Signal line changes in the price momentum. The signal line tells you what is the change in the price momentum. How strong is the price movement of a stock. Then there is the histogram. It shows the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. So there are three parts. One is the MACD line, then is the signal line, and third is the histogram. What is the histogram showing? Showing the difference between the MACD line and the signal line. So MACD indicator has three parts. MACD calculation includes two exponential moving averages, EMA, the fast period or shorter period, and the slow period or the longer period. The periods include 12 and 26 respectively. So the MACD indicator formula is MACD में जो line है, that is the difference between the fast and the slow moving average. Fast moving average कितने period का है? 12 day का. और slow moving average कितने दिन का है? 26 days का. Right? So MACD is 12 period exponential moving average का difference with the 26 period exponential moving average. The difference between 12 period exponential moving average and the 26 period moving average is the MACD line. Aside from the MACD line, you can also see how the signal line and the histogram can be calculated. Signal line is what? 9-day exponential moving average of the MACD line. जो MACD line बनेगी उस MACD line का 9-day जो exponential moving average होगा, that is the signal line. And what is the MACD line? MACD histogram. MACD line minus the signal line. उससे histogram बनेगा. I will show you in the chart how it forms. अभी तक clear to everybody? Please type yes. अभी तक clear है ये concept जो मैं बता रहा हूं आपको? समझ में आ रहा है? Muzaffar ji, it's clear to you? Yeah, we'll see on TradingView, then it will be more clear. MACD and baseline crossover. Zero line crossover. You can determine potential upward or downward movement when you analyze the movement and the position of the MACD line in the relation to the baseline set at zero. When the MACD moves above the baseline, it is labeled as bullish movement. When the MACD moves below the baseline, it signals potential bearish movement. When the MACD line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish signal. When the MACD line crosses below the signal line, then it's a bearish signal. Converging and diverging lines. Signals can arise from degree of convergence and divergence between the lines when you want to see the strength of the momentum. A stronger trend is determined when two lines are moving further apart. A weak trend is determined when the two lines are converged towards each other, which is also an indication of a potential reversal. So MACD baseline के ऊपर जाएगा तो bullish signal देगा. MACD जब baseline की नीचे जाएगा तो bearish signal देगा. जब MACD will cross the signal line above the signal line, it is a bullish signal. When the MACD crosses below the signal line, it is a bearish signal. Now, this is the theory. This is the MACD line crossover. This blue line is the, if you see the blue line is the MACD line, the red line is the signal line. Whenever the blue line crosses above the signal line, it's a bullish trend is starting. And whenever the blue line goes below the signal line, there is a bearish crossover. I will tell you in the TradingView. Let's go to the TradingView. Well, this is, let's take a stock which is volatile. Any stock you want to see?
HDFC AMC.
HDFC AMC. Okay. So go to the indicators and the MACD, moving average, convergence and divergence. When you type MACD, it will give you moving average, convergence and divergence. So click on this. You see this blue line. I just highlight it again. This blue line is the MACD line. This orange line is the signal line. Okay. Now you can see whenever the MACD is crossing above the orange line, there is a bullish movement, right? The blue line is above the signal line. There is a bullish movement. And the bullish movement chalu hai. When this is called a positive crossover. This blue line crossing above the orange line is a positive crossover. Now, when the blue line is breaking below the orange line, it's a bearish crossover. See how fast the trend changes and how fast it indicates a trend. यहाँ पे bearish crossover हुआ और यहाँ पे market is correcting. Again, यहाँ पे एक bullish crossover है. Bullish crossover happens and the stocks prices start rising. So this is the MACD is a very fast indicator. आपको बहुत जल्दी मालूम पड़ जाएगा कि ट्रेंड चेंज हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है. आपको बस एक क्रॉसओवर पकड़ना है. जो MACD क्रॉसओवर है उसको पकड़ना है. Clear?
Satuji, just one sec. This blue line is
the MACD line.
MACD line for 12.
Huh?
MACD line is what?
Difference between the 12-day exponential average and the 26-day average exponential moving average.
Okay, okay.
That is the MACD line. इससे calculation वैसे होता है ना?
Right.
So,
right.
And the signal line is calculated by 12-day exponential moving average of the MACD line.
Okay, okay, okay.
So MACD line जब भी आपको मैंने क्रॉसओवर बताया था पहले भी मूविंग एवरेजेस में, सिंपल है. यहाँ पे वही है. यहाँ पे मूविंग एवरेज का क्रॉसओवर हो रहा है. Whenever the average is crossing over above the orange line, the blue line is this, the MACD line is crossing above the orange line, it is a bullish signal. And whenever the blue line is crossing below the orange line, it's a bearish crossover. See, you can see the correction is happening till the blue line is below the signal line. It's a simple concept.